Are you ready to embark on a transformative journey with today's Build Big Biceps in 30 Days Challenge? Let's supercharge your fitness routine and sculpt those biceps from the comfort of your own home. We're not just looking to enhance muscle size. Today's regimen is meticulously crafted to boost your overall arm strength and aesthetics through strategic, focused exercises. Stick with me and let's pump up those arms. Before we jump into the heavier lifting, it's crucial to properly warm up to avoid any potential injuries. Let's begin with a comprehensive dynamic warm-up that will get our blood flowing and muscles ready for action. Start with arm circles to loosen up the shoulders. Stretch your arms out to each side, parallel to the ground, and start making small circles. Gradually increase the size of these circles over 15 seconds. Then reverse the direction to promote full shoulder mobility. This is essential for preparing the joints for the workload to come. Next, integrate leg swings to engage the lower body and core. Stability is key in bicep workouts to maintain proper form. Hold onto a stable surface. Swing one leg forward and backward, increasing the range of motion gradually. Do this for about 30 seconds per leg. It helps warm up your hip flexors and hamstrings, which are crucial for maintaining balance during standing bicep exercises. Finish your warm-up with targeted arm stretches. Extend one arm straight across your chest. Use your opposite hand to pull it closer and hold for about 20 seconds. This stretch is fantastic for the biceps and triceps, ensuring they're limber and ready to handle the weights. Now let's transition to our main workout, where the real transformation begins. Our first exercise is the classic barbell curl, a fundamental move for bulking up those biceps. Plant your feet firmly on the ground, shoulder width apart. Grip the barbell with both hands, about hip width apart, palms facing up. Keep your elbows locked at your sides to isolate the biceps as you curl the weight towards your chest. Focus on a smooth, controlled movement. Resist the urge to swing the barbell. Lower it back down slowly to maximize tension in the biceps. We're going for 3 sets of 12 reps, with a minute rest between sets to maintain intensity. Next up are hammer curls, which are incredibly effective at targeting both the biceps and the brachialis, a deeper muscle that adds thickness to your arms. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, arms hanging at your sides, palms facing inwards towards your torso. Curl the weights up to your shoulders by bending your elbows and keeping them pinned at your sides. This grip variation engages different muscle fibers than the traditional curl. Aim for 3 sets of 12 reps on each arm, with sufficient rest in between to keep your form sharp. Our final targeted exercise for today is the concentration curl, which is excellent for peak bicep isolation. Sit on the edge of a bench, spread your legs apart, and plant your feet firmly on the ground. Hold the dumbbell in one hand and place the back of your upper arm on the inside of your thigh. Lean into your legs slightly to stabilize your torso. This prevents you from swinging or using momentum. Curl the dumbbell towards your shoulder, focusing intensely on contracting the bicep at the top of the movement. Then, slowly lower the dumbbell back to the starting position. Complete 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps for each arm. This exercise is crucial for achieving that peak bicep bulge and enhancing muscle definition. After powering through these exercises, it's essential to cool down and stretch out the muscles we've worked so hard. Start with deep breathing exercises to calm your heart rate and relax your body. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a moment, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Follow this with arm stretches. Extend your arm, palm up. Gently pull back on your fingers with your other hand to stretch the biceps and forearm. Hold each stretch for about 20 seconds to aid in recovery and flexibility. Thank you for sticking with me through today's Build Big Biceps in 30 Days Challenge. Consistency is your best friend on this journey, so make sure you're following each day's workout with as much energy and dedication. Hydrate well, nourish your body with high-quality proteins, and ensure you get enough rest to recover and grow stronger. If you loved today's session, hit the like button, subscribe for more daily content, and share this video to help others join our fitness community. Have any thoughts, progress updates, or questions? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you, and I'm here to help guide you on this path. See you tomorrow for another intense workout session to get those biceps bulging even more.